Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a Volkswagen Hot Wheels. Today we have this Volkswagen Golf MK2. And it is from the Volkswagen series, number 7 of 10. And this is from, boy, the copyright says 2017 era, and I'm really not sure what year this is. And it sounds about right for as long as I've had it. Volkswagen, bugs, beetles, and radical rides. Volkswagens are everywhere. I really like the color of this one, and I like how it's just a plain old car. You know, it's got nothing fancy about it. Doesn't have all these crazy designs. Let's get it open. Ooh, opened window too. Both sides. Yeah, I like that. I like that the window is open. Painted all black in the front. Plastic on the bottom. And metal on top. No painted taillights. You can see right through those windows. Pretty cool. You can see in the car too. Steering is on the American side. Let's see how it rolls. It's a perfect roller on this track. It comes all the way back. Yeah. Both ways. Front and back. Both comes back in a return. Love it. Very cool ride. Always good when you can play by yourself and the car comes back to you off that Super Ball that I have. I taped a Super Ball to either end of the track. Large Super Ball. Thanks so much for tuning in to Timmy's 10 again. And please subscribe.